Come with me, come. Hey people, hope you're keeping well. Let's get in here into the Woodford Gardens and Arboretum. I thought I was exhausted, but this is exciting. We are coming from the direction of the Woodstock waterfalls, so we are approaching the Woodstock Gardens from the back, going into the back entrance. Look at the enormous redwood trees. They are massive. So impressive. And this is the Monkey Puzzle Avenue. There's a lot of history and interesting information about these spiral spiky leafed trees. The name comes from the fact that they wouldn't be the easiest trees for the monkeys to climb. Now the rockery, or the rocks garden. A number of exotic trees also present, and they are well labeled. This time of the year doesn't offer much to see in the walled garden in terms of plants, but it's still a very pleasant place to see and visit. plenty and expansive grounds for various activities, lovely for picnics, games, team buildings, and sometimes even festivals. We came in through the back, so we are leaving from the entrance to head back to Innistig. Note the parking charges of €5 per visit or €50 for the year. Thank you so much for watching.